Hello guys and welcome back to another video on Tutorial Guru. Today we're going to be teaching you how to view your backup photos on Google Photos. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out on any new videos by us. Without further ado, let's get started. So when you open Google Photos application on your mobile, it doesn't exactly show you which photos that you have uploaded to or backed up on your Google Photos. Even if you go to your library, you'll only be able to see the photos that are in your gallery and not those that are backed up. Even if you tap on your profile icon, you'll be able to see if your backup is turned on or not. You won't be able to see which photos that you have backed up. So to view the photos that you have backed up in your Google Photos, go ahead and open your Google Chrome browser. Under Google Chrome browser, go ahead to the search box and type photos.google.com. Tap on the photos.google.com. Obviously, you're going to sign in, but if you tap on this, it may open your application. So make sure that you're opening it on the Chrome browser itself. Tap on open in new tab. After that, go ahead and visit your link. Now make sure that you're logged into the account in which you'd like to see your backed up photos in. Under the photos section, you should be able to see your backed up photos if you have any, and this is how you can see your backed up photos in Google Photos. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.